Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So looking at GBPUSD and Euro USD, both of these instruments currently showing significant trading opportunity in the market. So we can see that GBPUSD later today there is a high impact news coming on GBP as well as on dollar. So both of these instruments may give us significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade on the lower time frame, let's quickly look at the bigger picture to see overall direction in the market, starting with the monthly chart on GBP USD. Now, from the monthly, what we see that this is a bearish market at the moment. This is the monthly resistance, and what we have seen that in this instrument from this level, there is a bounce, complete breakout, followed by a pullback. Now, this pullback is still on the way. As we have seen, the market on the monthly has grabbed that massive liquidity. Even we could see that GBPUSD breaking below and coming back to this monthly support for long term perspective. So there is a high probability, at least at the moment, for GBPUSD to fill this week on the monthly. Now, jumping down to the weekly time frame to see how the market is doing, we can see that there is a clean head and shoulder formation. And from that head and shoulder, we have seen a clean liquidity grab and breakdown. We have seen back to back 2 weeks of pullback, tested this neckline of this head and shoulder multiple times, and we see this week the market has formed series of lower high and had a breakdown. Now this breakdown on GBPUSD may continue to drop further, and I think that this trend may continue to drop. If we take the wave, we can see this is a drop here, pullback, drop, pullback, and we can expect new lower low even to this level. So this is a typical downtrending market structure from the weekly perspective as well on GBPUSD. Now scaling down to the lower time frame on the daily, we can see that there was a daily doji has formed, and this doji has a long wick at the bottom, and as a result we see that today the market just has filled that daily wick and it's almost at the support level. There is a less chance for the GBPUSD to move up than going down, as we see that very strong rejection. We might see that this support is being broken, and we could see even break of this support here from the daily perspective. So monthly, weekly, and daily aligning with this potential downside on GBPUSD. Now, looking at the 4 hour time frame to see how the market is evolving. Now, probably traders have seen in our live session yesterday, there was a massive trade for this bounce on GBPUSD. The market has done exactly as expected. We saw that the break of this high grab the liquidity, and then we have seen that complete breakdown. Now this session, this is the 4 hour candle. We have seen previous session a doji that has grabbed a good amount of liquidity, and then we have seen that breakdown, the candle close here, and with this candle close, what we see that there is a reversal formation in that zone. So as there is a news coming in just matter of 2.5 hours, if we look at the 1 hour chart to see where the market might be heading, this is a 1 hour impulse. I will be waiting for a pullback to any of this neckline. If we take the 50% Fibonacci level for GBPUSD, we might find that the market is coming back in that area where this is the green candle is the neckline of this reversal formation when the market was dropping down. So any liquidity candle formation from this level to this zone, if we see that in this time frame or even in the lower time frame, GBPUSD has given us a suitable entry opportunity after price action confirmation. According to the rules of our strategy, we will be looking to go short on GBPUSD with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this free educational analysis, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.